in the frequency to voltage converter. Frequency to voltage converter is an electronic device which is converts the sinusoidal input frequency into the proportional current or the output voltage. The basic circuit includes the operational amplifier, RC circuits. The operational amplifier are used for the signal processing, and the RC network are used to remove the frequency dependent ripples. The diagram below shows the basic circuit of the frequency to the voltage converter using the operational amplifier and the RC network. The input frequency given to the converter can be the range of the 0 to 10 kilohertz, and the output can be between the 0 to 10 minus 10 volt. Then the block diagram for the frequency to voltage converter. The block diagram shows the frequency to voltage converter. The circuit charges the capacitor to the certain level, and the integrator is connected. It is in the capacitor discharge into this integrator or the low pass circuit. This happens for all the cycles of the inputs waveform. The precision switch and the monostable multivibrator generate a pulse, a specific amplitude and the period, which is the fed into the averaging network, hence get the DC voltage at the output. F2V circuit diagram using the LM331. In this IC is basically a voltage to frequency converter, but it can be used as the frequency to voltage converter. Its application also include A to D conversion and the long-term integration. In the LM331 is used to convert the frequency into the voltage. The voltage on the output is proportional to the frequency at the input. It is and the 8-pin IC. The source is connected to the pin 8 and the supply is the 15 volt DC. Pin 3 and 4 are connected to the ground. The input frequency is given at the pin 6 and the output voltage is taken from the pin 1. The input frequency is differentiated by using the resistor R7 and the capacitor C3, and then the resultant pulse train goes to the pin number 6. The timer circuit gets triggered by the built-in the comparator circuit in and the IC when the negative edge of the pulse train appears at the pin number 6. The current flowing throughout the pin 6 is the proportional to the values of the capacitor C1 and the resistor R1 and the input frequency. Therefore, we get the output voltage across the resistor R4, which is proportional to the frequency of the input. 15 volt DC is used to this circuit, but the operating voltage is IC can between the 5 volts to the 30 volts DC. The value of resistor R3 is dependent upon the supply voltage. For the application of the F2V converter, frequency to voltage converter is the tachometer and the frequency differences measurement.